If you have been creating content but you can't generate leads or get any inquiries from them, watch this video as we go through step by step how we managed to generate over 5 million views and hundreds of inbound DMs for our clients.
Okay, before we begin with the funnel, the sales branding funnel that we use to help all our clients, this is literally some case studies, over 5 million organic views. Jordan, we helped him actually generate 126 leads, zero paid ads ran, 4K followers, a million plus views, 3 DMs, 7 inbound inquiries on the second video on Jesse's. He will receive an email and some other video case studies with hundreds of thousands of views. Yeah. Okay, and into the funnel. So, how do we build a content funnel to actually get people interested in the stuff that you have to offer? Basically, laws of attraction 101, dating is like business. The more people you get to consume your stuff, the more you get the girl or the guy to interact with you, to talk to you, the higher the chance that they will want to be with you and buy from you. Either ways. Okay, so in order for you to get the girl or the business to come and work, buy, or date you, you need to first optimize your profile. So optimizing your profile is like optimizing who you are as a person. Same thing. By optimizing your profile, you give yourself a higher chance to appear sort of different from the rest. Okay, so the way you do it is first off, through 4 steps. First off will be the name and keyword, meaning to say your name and essentially what do you do or what problem do you help people solve. Following that will be your largest achievement. This also is very client orientated, meaning to say what have you done for your clients. So if you're in property, I'm a condo expert. Now I consistently help my clients sell at 100K above last contracted price. Okay, who do you help? So I help real estate agents generate 100 to 200 high quality leads, blah blah blah, etc. and offer. So what do you want your clients to do? Okay, what I want my clients to do? I want my clients to potentially, work with me, get something from me, whatever that is. Okay, so with that done, that's it. Next will be to set up your pin post as well as your highlights. So how do you do that? First off, will be an offer or hand raiser. So here's where we showcase what we have to offer to them. Maybe you can teach them who you are, what do you do, why you are trustable, what kind of social proof you have, what kind of client results do you have you done in the past, and what your offer is essentially. What perhaps you can value add people with, maybe a consultation, a free guidebook, a free cheat sheet, whatever. Okay, and your highlights, it should not be your lunch meetings or whatever. It should be laid out very smartly, very carefully. Meaning to say, it has to be a client win. Maybe perhaps if you help your clients sell off at 100K, or if you're a business and you help a business go from 10 to maybe 20K, share that. Share your client wins, how you help your clients, how you help them, and how you do the same for new clients. Okay, that's it. Step 3. Now that you've optimized your profile, now that you've optimized your pin posts, your reels, your TikTok, that's where your focus is, to get people to even come to view that in the first place. So that's where we do that with traffic. So by traffic, what we mean is to share content, to create content, 10 to 15 videos ideally a week. So it's your talking head videos, because we chose talking head videos because it's the highest opportunity for someone to be successful, especially today in today's society, where literally dopamine is literally everywhere. In order to get people's attention, before they even know you, before they know that you're an expert or not, they will want to watch a snippet of you first before they trust you to watch your long form videos. So we always focus on short form traffic. Okay, from there, we actually create stories. So these stories will actually be linked to your freebie or your IGDM, so people can actually claim it from you. Okay, whenever you create a story, be sure to always link it to results. For example, like what I did here, how not to approach your content. Literally in this video, we'll share how not to approach your content and why use the how and why method instead of the who, what, where, and why, where and what. Okay, so which leads to the outcome 30 views to 30 hot leads. So click this link to actually watch the video, or perhaps you want to talk about a freebie. So click this link to claim the freebie. Click this link to drop me a DM. Okay, you see the idea right now? Okay, next, boost content. So after we create content, we create stories, all we need is to get more people to view. So the best way to do that is literally to test organically. And I have, let's say, 30, 15 videos per month. Those videos that perform the best are the ones that you ideally want to choose to boost. So you choose two formats, two CTAs that you have to boost. One will be a hand raiser. So CTA to a hand raiser, which means DM me to get freebie. These are the kind of content that you want to boost. Another one will be to watch more videos. This is so that we can nurture people, and people will get sort of like dripped into watching more of your content, and eventually leading into these laws of attraction where they consume more stuff, the higher the chances that they will buy from you. Okay, that's traffic. Next will be auto DM funnel. So how do we go about this auto DM funnel? Very simple. Two kinds of DM structures or CTAs that we want to have. One will be the nurture, which should be to either watch more videos or to follow for more. Pretty straightforward. Another CTA will be direct. DM me for a freebie or DM me for a guidebook. DM me for a cheat sheet. Okay, in order to make the best freebie, I've also prepared this freebie method here, which you can literally see. Hold on one second. I can literally see it here, how to make a freebie, how to pick a format, framework, how to pick an outcome, piece it all together. Just click onto this link here and you will find the whole document. In order to claim this free stuff, this funnel and the method is all free. In order to claim this, literally in the YouTube description down below, just click the link. It will probably say claim cheat sheet and just claim the cheat sheet. And I would love to see your success with this, okay? Or perhaps if you are somewhere down the road and you want this all done up for you and you want 100, 200 high quality leads and appointments every single month, if your business making over 100K, you want me to help you with that, go ahead and book a call down below and I'll speak with you. And as for step 5, back to the video, will be to set an appointment and close. So how do we set an appointment? Whenever we do a DM funnel, we always get them to DM you to a freebie, but how do we get people to actually claim the freebie? By using a keyword, something like a condo. DM me the word condo, DM me the word clients, so that I can send you the materials. Okay, so a full DM structure is also here. You can see my screen. The whole DM structure is here. So literally within this structure itself, you will have common problems. How do I propose a call quickly? Bio or account related. So for example, engage with the prospect. So like their post. Step 2, message the engaged prospect. Identify what majority of prospects talk about. With the prospect talk about family, comment about their kids. So literally this whole thing is not a course. It's an implementation structure. Just use this DM strategy. Implement this whole thing. Copy step by step. If they say yes, send the freebie over. Qualify literally all the questions. You don't mind asking what kind of properties you're looking for. Are you considering buying, selling, upgrading? What kind of long-term real estate? These are for real estate. Of course, we do train coaches as well, but this is real estate, a very real estate focused sort of DM strategy. Okay. Yeah. With that said, thank you so much for watching this video. Probably covered everything that I want to cover. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment down below. What do you think of this? What feedback do you think? Do you have what kinds of content you want to see next? And also, if you want to work with us, as always, both the links are down below. And if let's say you are not doing 100K, you want free stuff, just click the other link. You'll get free stuff, and hopefully this helps you in your business. Cheers.